Place a 10p piece on the top of the door to ensure the correct gap, and then wedge up tightly from the bottom. Mark the hinge position onto the frame. Measure the distance between the back of the door and the edge of the leaf. Mark this distance, plus 2 mm for clearance, from the back edge of the rebate and then gauge the hinge recess. With a gauge set to the thickness of a hinge leaf, mark the front edge of the frame. Use a spare hinge to check the fit of the leaf into the recess.